Finding the perfect spot. A guide to parking in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical aspect of everyday life and English language learning. Understanding the phrase, find a parking spot. Whether you're driving in a busy city or planning to visit places where you'll need to park a car, this video will equip you with the knowledge to tackle parking conversations with confidence. Let's get started. The phrase, find a parking spot, might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack here. To find means to discover or locate something. A parking spot refers to a designated space where a vehicle can be parked. Together, the phrase is used when someone is looking for a place to park their vehicle. It's a common scenario in crowded cities, shopping centers, and during events where parking space is limited. You'll often hear this phrase in various contexts. For example, it took me 20 minutes to find a parking spot this morning. This expresses the difficulty and time taken to locate a parking space. Can you help me find a parking spot? Here, someone is asking for assistance in locating a parking space, possibly in a crowded area. Let's leave early to find a good parking spot. This suggests planning ahead to secure a parking space in a potentially busy area. Understanding these contexts will help you navigate conversations and situations involving parking. Finding a parking spot can sometimes be challenging, especially in crowded areas. Here are some tips. 1. Arrive early. The earlier you arrive, the better your chances of finding a parking spot without much hassle. 2. Use parking apps. Many cities have apps that show available parking spots in real time, making it easier to find one. 3. Look for signs. Pay attention to parking signs to avoid fines. Signs will tell you where and when you can park. 4. Practice patience. Finding a parking spot can test your patience, especially in busy areas. Stay calm and keep looking. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, find a parking spot, and has equipped you with the knowledge to tackle parking situations with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the more you use this phrase and understand its contexts, the more confident you'll become in your English language journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.